How's it going, everyone? Jay here with LMR.com. In today's video, we'll be covering the removal and replacement of the fuel filter covering all 2005 to 14 Mustangs. The fuel filter in your Mustang is a vital maintenance part that needs to be replaced from time to time. Ford recommends replacing these filters every 30,000 miles. These can become clogged over time and will cause drivability and fuel economy issues on your Mustang. Today in the shop we have my 2012 GT500, all 2005 to 2010 V8s, and all 07 to 14 GT500s will come equipped with these style filters. All 2011 to 2014 Coyote V8s will not. These vehicles will have an internal filter located within the fuel tank. Let's head over and show you how simple this one is to replace. Some of the tools you will need will be a 1/4-inch socket set, a fuel line disconnect tool, push pin removal tool, and a lift or Jackson jack stands. We will need to pop the hood to access the fuse panel to depressurize the fuel system. Depending on your year and model, check your owner's manual and remove the associated fuse or relay for the fuel pump. Once you have this removed, you can go into the car and turn the engine over a few times to relieve any residual fuel pressure. Once this is completed, go ahead and disconnect the negative battery terminal. Heading under the car, you will need to locate the filter's protective cover. This will be held in place by a few 10mm bolts and a couple of push pins. Go ahead and remove these and pull the shield out of the way. Now that we have the shield out, you can see the filter and the lines. Depending on the model, you may need a set of fuel line disconnect tools. If you do not have a set of these, make sure you check out the link in the description below. Slide a drain pan or a bucket under the car to catch any residual fuel. Let's start on the end facing the rear of the vehicle. Make sure that when you go to remove this line, you're wearing gloves and eye protection. On this application, we did have a quick disconnect fitting. Push in on the green tab to release the line and pull it away from the filter. Again, please make sure to be safe here since you are dealing with a flammable liquid. On the front line, we did not have this quick disconnect style fitting. We did have to use our disconnect tool on this one. Find the correct sizing and seat this one into the female end of the line. Push in to release on the spring tab and then pull the line away to remove it from the filter. Give this a few minutes to allow any excess fuel to drain off. Now you can fully remove the fuel filter from the bracket. As you can see here, this filter was filthy. We had years of dirt and debris that came out. Going back on is as simple as it came off. Make sure to read your new filter and look for the directional arrow. This will need to be facing the front of the vehicle. Slide the filter through the bracket and seat the rear line until you hear an audible click. Do the same for the front side. Reinstall the protective shield. Reinstall your relay or fuse and reconnect the battery. Start the car and check over for any leaks, and you are all done. All right, everybody, we hope this video has helped you have a better understanding of how to remove and replace your fuel filter on your S197 Mustang. Overall, this one should roughly take you about an hour to complete. If you like this video, make sure to give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel if you have not already, and turn on notifications to keep you up to date with any new tech info we release. As you already know, keep it here with the real Mustang enthusiasts at LMR.com.